Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we'll be installing an amazing phone script that brings you 5 unique and stylish phone models all in one package. This script not only enhances the roleplay experience but also comes packed with advanced features, sleek UI design and smooth performance. Stay tuned as we guide you through the installation and showcase everything what this incredible script has to offer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the phone script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. The script is from TeamsGG. I'll provide their Tebak source link in the description below. You can visit here and purchase the phone. Currently they are offering 50% discount in all their scripts. So this is the right time to purchase the script. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in your keymasters granted SL section. Just click on download to download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file. Now open the file. First, we are going to add inventory images and items on our server. For that, open the inventory images folder. Then copy all these images from here and paste it into your QB inventory. For that, go to QB inventory, HTML, images and paste your images over here. Just like this. If you're using QB inventory, then open qbitems.txt file. Otherwise, if you're using aux inventory, then open auxitems.txt file. So I'll be opening qbitems.txt file. Now you have to copy all this line of code from here and paste it into your items.lua. For that, you just need to go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to very bottom line of code and paste your items over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now you have to create a new folder in your FiveM resource. So I'll be creating a folder and giving it a name of phone. Now copy the name and ensure this folder's name in your server.cfg. Now add a line over here and ensure the folder. After that, you just need to copy these two folders from here and paste it into your phones folder. Just like this. Now open the YSeries folder, go to SQL. Now we have to run the SQL of the phone. For that, just double click over here. Then click on open, select your server, then click on run. Just like this. Now open your config folder, then go to config.lua. In the section of config.framework, you just need to change the auto with the framework which you are using. So I'll be using QBCore framework. For that, I'll write QB over here, then press Ctrl Save. After that over here, we just need to change config.items.require from false to true. Also in here, just change the false to true. Now in the section of config item unique phones, just change the false to true, just like this. Now in the section of config items inventory, just select your inventory which you are using. So I'll be using QBCore inventory. So I'll be writing my QB inventory over here, just like this. Now open the config sim.lua. If you want to use your SIM card as an item, you just need to change the auto generate to manual. So I'll be changing it over here, just like this. Now open the config.upload.lua. In this config file, we have to configure the functionality of our phone's camera. Here we have 4 different methods to make it functional. First one is Discord, second one is FiveManage, third one is FiveMeRR, and the last one is custom. So I'll be recommending you to keep it on FiveManage. Now after that, come to the website of FiveManage. I'll provide this website's link in the description below. When you reach here, you just need to click on Get Start. Over here, you have to create an account. So I already have an account, so I'll be just clicking over here. Once you reach here, you just need to click on Tokens. Then click on create new token, then click on select a type, then select media. After that, give it a name. So I'll be giving a name of yphones. Then click on create token. After that, copy this token from here. Now open the YSeries folder, go to server, then open API keys.lua. Now you have to paste your token over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So that's it for the configuration part. Now we have to do one more thing. For that, we have to open the documentation of the script. I'll provide the link in the description below. Now go to unique phones, then scroll down over here. Now you have to set up your unique phone in your inventory. You can select from whatever inventory you are using. So I'll be using new QBCore inventory. For that, I'll be clicking over here. Now you have to go to QB inventory, server, function.lua. Let's go to the given location. Go to QB inventory, server, function.lua. Open this location preview. Now we have to locate this line of code in our functions.lua. So as you can see over here, we get to the location. Now we just need to copy this line of code from here and paste it over here, just like this. This was the first one. Now let's search for the second one. Copy this line of code from here and paste it over here, just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. So that's it for the installation part. Before starting the server, we have to delete our old QB phone from our resource. So this is our old QB phone. Just delete it from here. That's it. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's give ourselves a phone. As you can see, this is the interface of our new unique phone. We can select the language from here. So I'll be keeping it in English. Click on start. After that, set up a pin. So I'll be giving a normal pin. Click on next. Then select a theme. So I'll be selecting a dark theme. Click on start. Then click on finish. After that, click on close. As you can see, this is the interface of our phone. Over here, it is showing network error logo because we didn't insert any SIM in our phone. Now let's create a SIM card. With the command of create SIM card, make sure to start your number with 088 or 087 or 089. After typing the number, you just need to press enter. As you can see, I have received a SIM card over here. The items image is not showing because I didn't add any image. Now to insert the SIM, you just need to open your phone. So as you can see in the App Store, you can't see any application because you don't have a SIM card. To insert a SIM card, you just need to open your phone, then go to setting, go to phone, then click on SIM manage. After that, select your SIM over here, then click on confirm. As you can see, we got our network over here and we have successfully installed our SIM card into our phone. Let's open the App Store and here you will get all the applications of the phone. Let's download them all. Over here, you will get a lot of games, especially like Subway Surfers and Angry Birds. So this is a bank application. As you can see, this is my bank balance over here. And also we got a functional YouTube application over here. Let's check out the application and you can see some videos over here. If you want to search any video, you just need to click on search and paste your video's URL over here. After that, click on search.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus.
And here you can see your video is playing over here. Just like this, you can use the YouTube application. Now let's check out the camera. As you can see, this is the interface of our camera. If you press left alt, you can freely rotate your camera as you can see over here. Let's go to the selfie mode. As you can see, by clicking over here, you can record your videos as well. Just like this. Okay, now let's play the video. Just like this. By clicking over here, you can save the video in your gallery. Now let's check out the gallery and we got our video over here. As you can see. Now let's check out our other 4 unique phones. So this is the first phone which we get with the script. As you can see over here, this is the normal version of the iPhone. The second version of the phone which we get with the script is a flip phone. As you can see over here. When you click over here, your phone will get flipped as you can see over here. And when you click over here, your phone will get normal as you can see. And the third phone which we get is this one as you can see over here. This phone is similar like Samsung Galaxy S24 as you can see over here. Now let's check out our fourth phone. As you can see over here, this is the fourth phone which we get with the script. When you click over here, you can extend the phone and over here you will see the prop of the phone will get also changed. When you click over here, the phone went to normal and when you extend your screen, your prop will also extend. Now the fifth and the final phone is also a fold phone as you can see over here. When you click over here, you can extend your phone. Let's unlock it. Now let's check out the camera with the fold phone. As you can see over here, this is the interface of the fold phone. We will get a wide screen over here as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.